know what I'm saying, I had to chase down those lowriders. They're putting on a show. Still got a few more New Balances to get out for you guys. Peace, love, and light. I usually don't wear this little tag on my shoe, but you know, Virgil passed, so it's always peace and love, Virgil.
Is this working? Is this working? Does this camera still work? Does it work?
Anyway, what's going on, guys? We have the New Balance. What are these again? The numbers 990 V2s, and I got these because they were really cheap. I got them for about $112 off of Goat. So shout out to Goat. Man, Goat has been saving me so much money lately. And if Goat people are watching, please, sponsor me, send me a free pair of shoes, all that. What does that say? M990BR2. I'm gonna say the M means men and the BR means brown. I'm just gonna go off on a limb and say that. So this is a lifestyle sneaker, and this pair is actually kind of old school. They came out in, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, 1998. That's crazy. In high school, I was not thinking, well, I had one pair of New Balances, but you weren't really thinking about getting them. I got them like at a Famous Footwear or something like that for free. I don't know how I got them for free, but anyway, that's in the past. And today, those brown laces that you just saw, those are going in the shoe. As a matter of fact, as of now, like 5 days later recording this, they are both in the shoes, but on foot, I can't get enough of that guy. You know how I am. And with New Balances, you can do this for days. I think I just bought this shoe just to do that. And on the back, it has USA. The absorb in the back, they're trying to make it look like it's more techy. It's just foam underneath some brown plastic. Nothing too fancy there, but it does work, and it does feel really good. And I'm just showing you hits of trend. There we go again. Transitional suede. It's good, guys. It's good. Obviously. Oh boy. I'll stop. Okay. Got the little tag there, and I love the colorway. It's like a brownish with a kind of a greenish with some orangish. Got the 99. Man, that stitching on there does not look great. You guys see that? Dang. And I know if this was a UA pair, you'd be like, oh my god, the stitching on the shoe is not correct. They're not USA made. And just to let you in on a little secret, as a quote-unquote American, everything that's US made does not supersede other countries or other manufacturers. Not even China most of the time. China supplies us with most things. So it's a misconception that just because it's made here in America that it's better. And that goes for everything across the board, not just sneakers. And if you look at the way they board last their New Balances, they go right down the middle, unlike a Jordan 1, which is very interesting. Got the absorb. We got the New Balance on the bottom. They didn't have all that other new foam and text and all the polyurethanes they have now. And it doesn't matter because these are super comfortable. I'm so glad I went down to a 9.5 in these, and I actually thought I can go down to a 9. That's how big these. I know, guys. Just don't worry about me. I'll get through this. But the 9.5 works perfectly. I probably wouldn't go down to a 9, but I'd like to try one on. That probably will never happen because I'll probably never buy one. But the 990 V2 is great, and when you see me jumping around like that out there, I was a little scared to do all that stuff. I don't have the best knees in the world, but these have excellent grip. I got to give the grip a 10 out of 10 on these. It was just really, really good. They kept me from busting my ass out there, even though I shouldn't be doing stuff like that. I do it anyway. And I give them extra credit for these for just, hold me down out there as I jumped around. But that's all I got for now, guys. I got another whatever. I got some more videos coming up. New Balance. I'll get that A6 video out, but I'm done. Peace, love, and light, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.